Hi friends, welcome to Learn Code with Saurabh. Today I am going to solve a program to find a palindromic, a strings in a list using the Java Stream API. So let's see. Palindromic word or sequence, each one that reads the same forward and backward. For example, if I have some sample input like Madam Apple, race car, banana, level. So you can see that you can change that forward and backward. So after that we will get that simple output like madam, race car, label. So these are that palindromic word. I opened the IntelliJ and created a class here, palindromic string 32. 32 is the program number, and in this program we need to check that number or word or a string or sequence is that following that palindromic or not. So I need to create here that main method. So I'm just going to write here public static void main, and now we need to create that list of a string or a string of list. So I'm going to create here list, and in this list we will pass here the type as a string, and now I will keep here as a words, and so I will use here array start as a list, and in this list we need to pass that sample input. So I'm just taking that sample input here and pasting inside a list. So it will I initialize that list and giving that value, and now I'm going to do the process to check that palindromic word, and so after that we will get the result. So I will keep it a string of list, and I will keep that reference name like palindromic word. And now I'm going to just convert like a string of list into to a stream API. So I will use here both dot a stream, and I will use here like a stream dot. So I will use here filter to filter that all that word. So in this filter we need to pass here the lambda expression like words having that words. So I will use here new a string builder. In this string builder we need to pass with that so basically we are going to create the object, and in this create the object of the string builder and passing that in that constructor in that word. So we will get that from the list one by one word, and after that we need to convert like reverse. So I will reverse this word, and so I will use reverse method, and now I will convert like to a string, and I will check that a string are equals. So I will use here words equals, and in this equal we need to pass such a word, and then I will collect that value. So I will use here collect, and so I will collect the list. So I will use here collect, and inside collect method we need to pass as a to list method. So I will passing here, and so let's I will formatting this. So in the word, so I will use here a stream. So in the stream, so I used here filter method here. So a stream dot filter, and inside filter, so we need to create here to dot reverse inside a string builder. So I will use here and reverse dot to a string I just converted. So basically a string builder is a mutable class, and string is immutable. So I just converted here, and now I just comparing with that two object of the content. So I used here dot equals, and now after that I just collected this value. So you can see that opening and closing of that, and so I use here dot. So I use here dot filter. So I will keep it a dot filter. So now I'm going to print this output. So I will use here system dot out dot println. So I will use here palindromic word, and my program is completed. Now I am going to run this class. So I will use here right click and run this main method. So friend, according to the output I got the result madam, Rishar level. So now I will post the code in the Git repository, and I will mention the link in that this YouTube description of this video. And thank you friend, thank you friend for your time, and for watching this video. Explore the community tab and participate in Java full stack MCQ question with solution. Join our WhatsApp group and Telegram group for the latest update. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.